Hello, Heron Creek members. This is head golf professional Brandon Greco. I'm out here at the members' end of the driving range, and I wanted to talk to you about something coming up that we have that I'm sure you've seen information about so far. It's called the Skills and Grill. And what this is a little bit of a replacement of our 9 and Dine. As the days get shorter and the ability to do our 9 and Dine events that we had during the summer become a little harder, we wanted to still continue to do something once a month for our members that was fun, incorporated some golf and some food, and got people together to have a good time. So this is going to be a skills contest. We're going to come out here at the driving range. We're going to do a few different skills contests. They may be a putting contest, a chipping contest, maybe do some stuff out of the bunker, a break the glass. You may have seen that on TV with the big break many years ago. So we're going to try a bunch of different things, and the idea, the format will be 3 different skills competitions that we'll have points for, and we'll have winners, and we'll pay out shop credit, and then at the end we'll go upstairs, have a nice meal, and enjoy the Friday. So in this, I want to give you a quick tip on how to approach the break the glass portion of this skills and grill competition that we may have. So the break the glass is a lot of fun. It's about a 30-yard shot. You got to keep the ball low. So how we do that is I've got a 6-iron, and I'm going to play this ball. I don't know whose divots these are. They're certainly not mine, but I'll use those to hit off of. So I'm going to place the ball a little bit further in my stance. Again, the glass will probably be maybe 30 to 40 yards ahead of us, and I'm trying to keep the ball low, solid shot. Good advice for into the wind too, but maybe choke up a little bit, put the ball back in my stance, set my weight slightly forward, and just try to keep it as low as I can, okay? So that's a good shot for this competition, but also if you're out there in the golf course playing in high winds, it's a great way to control your golf ball into the wind, downwind, and help control your distances. So we look forward to seeing you there. Our first one is coming up Friday, November the 15th. So we look forward to seeing you, and you can sign up on Bailey's, and we'll see you soon. Have a great day. Thank you.